My favorite part of CBA is the people. It's a community that you just can't beat. Every time you have a problem or you just need someone to go to for support or to vent, there's somebody there that's been through the exact same thing you have or is going through it at the same time you are. And it's just nice to know that you're not alone, that you're not in this by yourself. CBA is designed for us. It's built for the exact kind of business that we have. It's a unique kind of business. Nobody's going to give business advice to a restaurant that's going to match what we're doing. So we need something that is directed exactly in this vein. From the day I started CBA, I knew that it was going to take me miles and miles. From lesson 1, where you learn who you're supposed to be selling to, I knew that I had been going down the wrong path the whole time. And this got me on the right path. It was like you could see it, finally. And I knew where I belonged and I knew how to get there. That's my absolute favorite thing, is I know when I get to the next step, I'm gonna go, oh my gosh, what do I do now? And it's gonna be there to tell me. The Crochetpreneur Mastermind is the next level in learning how to run your business. It's the nitpicking and the help you need from the peers that are really dealing with the tiny stuff that you've got to get working. It's when you've passed the threshold of just putting your blog together and making your first sale. And it has honed in a lot of my goals and made me realize that I can still do this. I have the ability. I didn't just build a business and now I'm going to stagnate. I can keep growing. I joined the Crochetpreneur Mastermind because it was time to take my business to the next level. I had gotten to a great place. I am very happy with where my business is, but why not make it bigger? So if you can make it bigger, you do, and this is how you do it. Pam puts in a lot of one-on-one attention, and the people that are in the mastermind are in the same place as me, business-wise. So we can bounce ideas off of each other. We can really get the feel for what needs to happen next. If you're thinking of joining Crochetpreneur Business Academy, do it. It's wonderful. It's the way to do it, but you have to be willing to put in the work. This is not a speedy one-step process. This is the framework you need to make it happen, but you're the one who makes it happen. If you want somebody to do it with, if you want people who are following that path with you, so you have somebody to hold hands with, this is the place to be. Just do it. It makes all the difference in the world.